All right, you little box nerds, today we are going to be opening this package from Active, which they sent me to use their products and then do reviews, not on this channel, about what I think. So today I'm just going to unbox them and we'll just have a look. These are very cool. All right, so this is the coffee maker cleaner. Comes with 24 tablets. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Raphaela. I just do regular unboxings on this channel. These are not product reviews. This is just so you can kind of see what it looks like and you know what to expect when you order your products. What does this say? Stop, do not use this product before seeing important instructions at usactive.com. I think this is great and I hope it works because my coffee maker has been tasting a little funky lately. So I'm not going to do a review on this channel, but let's just look at it. Oh, this is cute. Okay, it says use cleaning tablets twice a month for best results. I know me, I'll probably do it once a month. Active, thanks for giving our small family-run business a shot. Your orders and reviews matter more than you can imagine. Oh, that's so cute. You can like keep track of, you know. Let's open one of these. Because I'm going to do all this stuff this weekend. Yeah. Let's see. And I've tried to descale my coffee maker with regular vinegar. It doesn't work as well as I'd like for it to, so. It looks like a giant vitamin C tablet. Up next is the Enzyme Laundry Booster, formulated to deep clean, effectively removes stains and odors. So I'm guessing this is sort of like an OxyClean type of a situation. These are all septic tank safe, by the way. Oh, cute. Okay, see, their packaging gets a 10 because I love the little extra touch of giving, again, like same thing, little notes. So cute. And a little scoop. Boop. All right, let's see what it looks like. It's white powder. This is a 2-pound bag. What do we have here? This is like the mother load. Let's see. Disposal cleaner. Nice. Dishwasher cleaner. Machine cleaner. I'm gonna have the cleanest house on the block. All right, and they each say 1 year supply, and I think that's in keeping with this. I like that. That's cool. I like that it's 1 year supply, so you're not going back rebuying it all the time. Dishwasher cleaner, cleans, deodorizes, blah, blah, blah. Okay, septic safe ingredients, 24 tablets. Let's have a look. I like this. I wish they had a couple different kinds of notes because it makes it feel less like personal, you know what I mean? Because it's the same note, but still cute. And same thing where you can keep the stuff, and I'm guessing it probably looks the same, but dishwasher cleanser. This is probably like a little pod. Oh my God, he's so cute. Look, yellow on one side. I'm sure that's for like the citric acid probably stuff, like to clean it or to freshen it. Okay, this is cute. Yeah, I like this. I bet the rest of them look pretty similar. And I like that they come in like a sealable package that isn't plastic. Washing machine cleaner. Y'all getting the theme here? Oh, we have a different note. Never mind. No, same note. Different person signed it. Still cute though. I like it. A for effort. Washing machine cleaner. And this one is white and blue. Y'all, my house is gonna be so clean. 24 tablets, same thing. And they all say twice a month, but I mean, yeah, I don't know if I would actually do it twice a month. We'll have to see. This is the disposal cleaner. You know what I like? It's not complicated. It's single serving, and I'll just open one because I'm gonna use all the ones that I opened this weekend. And then yellow on one side, blue on the other. And I love that you could kind of like write when you did it so you know, so you don't have to think about it. You could just open it and look. I mean, the whole system is like contained. Again, it said to go to usactive.com and read a couple things before you do anything with it. And all of them were marked as septic safe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see my next unboxing, and I will see you little box nerds later.